Tired of your landing pages feeling like digital dead ends? Then stick around, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to create a high-converting landing page in HubSpot that actually turns visitors into leads first. Log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to Marketing. Then Landing Pages, click Create Landing Page in the upper right corner. You'll be presented with a library of templates. Choose one that aligns with your offer and brand. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Give your page a clear and descriptive name. Now, the magic happens. Start with your headline. This is the first thing visitors will see. So make it compelling and benefit-driven. Explain what they will get. Next, optimize your form. Only ask for the information you truly need to generate leads. Too many fields can scare people away. Craft a clear and compelling call to action, or CTA. Use action-oriented language like download now or get started today. Make it stand out visually with contrasting colors. Now brand it. Change color, fonts, and styles based on your brand image. Before you publish, make sure your page is mobile-friendly. Use HubSpot's preview tool to see how it looks on different devices. Finally, optimize your page for search engines by adding relevant keywords to the page title, description, and URL. And that's it. Follow these steps to create a HubSpot landing page that not only looks great but also converts like crazy. Happy landing!